Welcome to Carter's Tiny Homestead.
This transformation is going to be really nice.
And don't put me in it. If the sign is safe, because I'm going to do an update on this sign that has bicycle now, but it's not going to be a bicycle.
Hold it. So it's like 102. Okay, we'll do 102 by 102. You're helping. You're so helpful. Let go. Let go. No, not you. What are you doing?
You said let go.
I'm talking to the baby. What are you doing?
Aim it at David, Layla.
Oh my gosh, they're so filthy.
Well, thanks a lot, David.
What's the best technique?
Well, I don't really have a best technique. What I do is take my rag, sandwich it in between the top and bottom, and do like this. I'm sure there's a quicker way.
Do a short stroke.
I even bought one of those little duster things, but it didn't really work well for me.
It wasn't a permanent grip on the blind.
Exactly, that's what's wrong. And our house gets pretty dusty. I'm sure it's because of the back. You know, there's a lot of dust kicked up here. And plus, we always have the screen door open, and I think that brings a lot of dust too.
Follow me on SoundCloud at Ayomatty. That's AYEYOMATTY.
Yeah, like that.
I'm gonna put dirt on it.
That's a DIY.
This was the DIY? Mm-hmm. Did you record it?
That was a long time ago.
Oh.
This wood is actually a piece of my sister's deck, Tony, that we took from my husband Reggie went over and she wanted her deck taken out in her backyard. So we went over, he grabbed these pieces of wood and made me these nice shelves. So once again, we repurposed wood. Of course, these brackets are from Home Depot. I believe Home Depot or Walmart. Probably Home Depot. They have the strongest brackets.
Do they?
Yeah, Home Depot has the best brackets. And I think they were about $4. But see this beautiful wood? He sanded it down. I was gonna refinish it with some kind of stain, but then I was like, no, I really like this natural look. I think it looks nice and rustic. See that? I love the look of this rustic wood. And it's a part of my sister in the house.
Be a great living room makeover. I can't wait to show you